Hi Daly City Work at Home, my name is Cherry and today we're going to make Ewoks out of toilet paper rolls. So for your supplies today, you're going to need a toilet paper roll, brown construction paper, colored felt, a brown pipe cleaner, a Sharpie, a pair of scissors, some googly eyes, a hot glue gun, and extra hot glue gun sticks. Your first step is to cover the toilet paper roll with the brown construction paper. Your next step is to get the colored felt, and then you're going to cut a circle and wrap it on top of the toilet paper roll. After that, you're going to draw arms and ears, cut them out, and then glue them on. Your last step is to glue the staff onto the hand, the googly eyes onto the face, and then draw stitches with a Sharpie. And that's how you make your Ewok out of the toilet paper roll. Thanks for watching!